Welcome to our Skeena Maps Portal How-To video series. The Skeena Maps Portal is an online mapping portal developed by the Skeena Knowledge Trust to provide a collaborative mapping environment for organizations operating within the Skeena watershed. The portal is intended to complement the data stored within the Skeena Salmon Data Center by providing expanded functionality to explore spatial data, build and print maps, perform basic exploratory analyses, and share maps with collaborators. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to search for and access spatial layers and maps housed on the Maps portal. The first step is to navigate over to the Skeena Maps portal, which you can do by either typing maps.skeenasalmon.info into the navigation bar of your web browser, or by using a search engine to search for Skeena Maps Portal, as we are doing here. This brings us to the Skeena Maps Portal homepage, where you can find the main search bar and drop-down menus. Spatial data on the Skeena Maps portal are grouped into layers and maps. A layer is a single spatial dataset with a single theme and geometry, while a map is a collection of two or more layers. You can browse all the layers housed on the Maps portal by clicking on the Explore Layers button or the Data tab on the top toolbar. Similarly, you can browse all the maps housed on the Maps portal by clicking on the Explore Maps button or the Maps tab on the top toolbar. The search bar at the top of the page allows you to search for specific terms within the titles of both layers and maps. For example, when I type Maurice into the top search bar, layers and maps with the word Maurice in the title will be suggested. You can either select one of the suggested entries and then press Enter, or press Enter with just your search term in the bar, which will display all the results returned. The text bar on the side of the search results page allows for a broader search of keywords if desired. For instance, when we click on the magnifying glass next to the side text box, you will see the number of results returned increased from 20 to 24. This is because the search is now returning results with Maurice in the title or descriptions, as you can see from the return of the Upper Bulkley watershed boundary, which wasn't included in our initial search. From the results display page, you can browse all the results or use the filters to narrow down your search results. For example, if we are only looking for a watershed boundary for the Maurice River watershed, we would click on the Vector Layers filter under Type to filter out map results. You can tell which filters are applied when the pills are colored blue. When multiple fields within a filter are selected, results meeting either condition will be displayed. However, if conditions within different filters are selected, for instance, boundary layers, which are also remote layers, datasets meeting both of those conditions would be displayed. Search results are sorted by most recently added by default. To change the order of the search results, click on the Sort menu on the top right-hand side of the search results. This brings us to the end of this demonstration. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our help pages and other videos for a more in-depth look into how you can leverage the Skeena Maps portal for your research and management needs. If you want to find out more about the Skeena Knowledge Trust, please visit our website at skeenatrust.ca. For specific questions or suggestions, please send us an email at info@skeenatrust.ca.